since you found us, broken, lost at sea. Our humble hearts receive. Though we fail, we find your love remains.
Chris, congrats. Deserve mo ngayon to. Ito na yung matagal mo hinihintay.
You're our shining beacon, brighter than the stars. You are our God. You're the lighthouse in love.
Congrats sa inyo. Sa inyong dalawang PRJ. Thank you sa mga tulong na ginagawa niyo para sa akin sa pag-aaral.
Cold, cold, from the shoreline to our home, the kingdom of the free. Our humbled hearts receive. We feel, we find your love remains. Your love remains. Love we hold on to. You forever our hope, the anchor that holds. You're our shining beacon, brighter than the stars. You are our God. You're the lighthouse in us. The lighthouse in us. The lighthouse in us.
This is a union of our hearts. I promise to be your strength in weakness, your cheers in sadness, and your companion in every adventure. Ako ang knight in shining armor mo habang buhay.
The moment when I heard you say my name, it's the first time in so long I'm not afraid.
I always be here na palaging magpapaalala sa'yo sa bawat araw kung gaano ka kaganda at kalakas. You are my partner, my other half, and I will love you for the rest of my life.
You are the light that shines in every tunnel. There in the past, you'll be there tomorrow. All my life, your love was breaking.
I will continue choosing you forever. I love you so much.
It's always been you. My northern star.
Ang dami nating pinagdaanan at di pinagkakasunduan. But thanks to God dahil dumating tayo sa oras na to na itinakda ng Diyos para sa pag-iisang dibdib natin.
Be right where you are, right where you are. You are the voice that calms the storm inside me, castle walls that stand around me. Oh, this time my God.
Salamat sa walang sawang pakikinig sa akin, sa pagtatawa, at sa walang sawang pag-iintindi sa akin. Salamat dahil ikaw yung nagpupush sa akin sa mga bagay na di ko kaya. Salamat sa mga panahon daw na ako andyan ka. Patuloy mo akong inaangat at pinabangon. Thank you for supporting me for everything. Ang dami na nating pinagdaanan at mapagdadaanan pa. Pangakong walang sukuan, walang iwanan sa hirap at ginhawa. Mananatiling tapat at habang buhay na mamahalin ka.
The fire, it was you, it was always you who pulled me out of the water. It was you, it
Kaya sabi ng Panginoon, magbangon ka at magliwanag sapagkat ang ilaw ay dumating para sa kalwalhatian ng Panginoon na sisibol sa inyo.
around me all this time. My guardian was you. You are the light that shines in every tunnel. There in the past, you'll be there tomorrow.